Here we go.
The Elderflower Mocktail.
That's right.
Mocktail time.
Cheers to you.
Cheers. Welcome to our channel. We are the
Lazy Cook.
and the Healthy Chef.
And we would love it if you would subscribe and follow along.
Yeah. So check us out. Subscribe on YouTube, Lazy Cook, Healthy Chef, or Instagram, TikTok. We're everywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
All the places.
And everywhere.
All the places. I'm dancing already.
Already?
It's mocktail time,
mocktail
sister
time.
girl.
I know, we're in our ladies who cocktail outfits.
Yes, we are.
Yes, I love it.
I love
okay,
that.
so I'm not a big drinker, as you know.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Da-ding.
Does that mean that I just lied?
I
It's like, are they on to me?
What's
No.
the saying?
Yeah.
Every time a bell rings, an angel
Gets its
their
wings.
wings. I got the saying right!
Because I was helping you.
Yeah,
Because I
you
was
were.
like, where is she going with that? So we
Yeah.
were at Voltaire having
Yeah.
a little lunch, and they suggested this elderflower mocktail.
Mocktail.
And we all went, oh my God, this is so good. So of
So
course
delicious.
I said, please make this.
Yeah.
Please show me how to make it.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing today.
That's what we're doing today. And number one rule, I think, with any beverage that you're gonna mix up and serve at your house, you've gotta have nugget ice. I know it sounds ridiculous, but I must have nugget ice. This is one of my most important points about a mocktail or any drink, nugget ice.
I'm going to ask for the audience,
Okay.
what is nugget ice?
Can you send us a comment and let us know what you think nugget ice is? I am obsessed with it.
I know it's looks like rock, so it's round instead of maybe in the crescent shape.
Yes, yes.
Right? But you buy it like that.
You buy it like that, or you get, much to my husband's chagrin, a nugget ice maker. And I will tell you.
My cousin wanted to get a nugget ice maker now that I'm thinking about this, and it was very expensive.
Well, you can buy them at places like Costco. Costco, if you ever want to work with us, give us a little DM.
Absolutely.
But you can buy one that sits on your counter at somewhere like Costco or Amazon or wherever, or you can get one that's under the counter, actual, part of the kitchen appliances, and those can get like $5,000 or $6,000.
So if you're really tied to your nugget ice, you know what you can do.
Yeah. And you know why I love it? Because when I was younger, you probably had this too. There was a drive-in movie theater where I lived in San Jose, and we would go to the drive-in. We would get our sodas and our popcorn, and there was always nugget ice in those sodas. And I just, since I was a kid, it's a nostalgic thing for me. I love nugget ice because it reminds me of going to those drive-in movies.
So I grew up in London, England.
Oh, you guys didn't have it.
There were no drive-ins.
Yeah, that's not classy enough for people in Britain. The drive-in. Who out there went to a drive-in over here in the U.S.? I love the drive-in.
I think I went to a drive-in once I came to the U.S.
Yeah.
And it was fun.
Yeah, it is fun.
Yeah.
We would sit, my dad would let us sit on the hood of the car if we wanted,
That's really
or,
cute.
you're like your little kid.
Maybe I did that once with a friend's parents or something like that.
Yeah.
My parents were not the drive-in movie
Type.
Yeah. As a little girl, my mother would give me 25 pence.
Okay.
And every Saturday, and I'd walk down to the lower street in Hampstead, and that's where the movie theater was, and I'd go watch a movie every Saturday.
They didn't have nugget ice at the movie theaters
I'm not remembering the nugget ice.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get it out right now. So we've got the
Very
Elderflower
exciting.
Mocktail. Yeah, we need nugget ice. I'm gonna put together the nugget ice bucket. I like to just fill it with ice and then put some citrus rounds that I pre-sliced here with some fresh herb to kind of dress up the ice bucket if you're having a party.
You're always so good at making everything look pretty. I just feel like if it tastes good, I'm like, I just can't make it look good. But I can usually make it taste good. So I'm very happy to be learning this.
Well, you're going to make a really cute festive ice bucket.
I love that. I love
and
it.
we're going to get that going right now. So I'm going to go get the ice out of the freezer.
It's nugget ice time.
What I love to do for a party, a lot of people do this. It's not, first we want to break up the ice. I know it's loud and obnoxious, but I've had a crazy week, so that feels really good. Okay.
As you crack.
Would you like to throw the ice down? Let's throw down some ice, girlfriend.
Throw it down.
Ow! Nugget ice, baby.
All right. I feel like you think you've done enough.
I think it's amazing. Okay. Oh, they're calling it pebbles. Anyways, that's all good. So we're gonna
nuggets, pebbles.
Yeah, it's all
tomato.
That's right. Okay. So we're just gonna use our handy dandy kitchen scissors.
After your week, I was like, I'll take the scissors, honey.
Okay, here we go. We're going in. So I just put rosemary in there and I kind of do it the height of the bucket.
That's really pretty. I would never think to do that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in here and then the ice kind of goes around it. So you wanna do like 4 sprigs, 3 sprigs. You can actually let it pop up.
I've seen a thing where you can freeze with 2 bowls what looks like ice with flowers in them.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
Oh, we can do lots of ice with fun flowers. So then I go a little bit of like citrus, whether it's lime or lemon, and we're just gonna put it in between.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, it's just fun, right? It's just fun. And then we'll go a little bit more. We've got this one big block.
Here,
I don't know how you
want
wanna. I would be able to function as.
No, I'm like not liking these clumps. Here, there we go.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Break apart the clumps for me, if you can.
I don't think that's possible.
No, we can. Watch, I have enough of
All
it.
right. We're not spending 20 minutes on that.
We're not.
This is fine.
We're gonna cut our losses and move to the next thing. Okay. All right, so there. So now you've got your pretty ice bucket for your party. Okay, voila.
Perfect.
Kind of fun, right?
Yes, love it.
Okay.
Oh, this mint smells so good.
Oh, everything smells good.
I know, right?
So let's talk about really quickly the ingredients for this elderflower mocktail.
Okay.
So you need nugget ice.
Yeah.
You need some elderflower syrup. You can also find like an elderflower non-alcohol kind of, I don't know.
Does that have alcohol in it?
This is just elderflower syrup.
Right, okay.
But there's like all these non-alcohol beverages that taste like alcohol out there.
I see.
I just got regular elderflower syrup.
Okay.
We're gonna do like one little shot of that in there. We've got some sparkling water, some fresh mint, and some lime.
This is perfect.
So,
you know, the thing is that when we had it, I could have sworn it had like a pink tinge to it. So I think you could always just throw a little cranberry juice in it, just to just make it a light pink.
yeah, and I've got that in the fridge. I've actually got pomegranate juice or cranberry.
That's pretty.
So one thing I need to do is, can you give me the juice of a lime? And I will give you
me a knife.
I will give you a knife.
Okay.
And I will give you a juicer because I'm just that kind of a friend.
You are.
You can always count on me for a knife and a juicer.
Yes, you are.
That sounds really weird.
Full service.
Full service. And I am going to, these are our cocktail glasses.
All right.
Is it fighting you?
No, it's good.
Let's see how much juice I love this citrus juicer. Let me set this. Sorry.
That's all right.
I love that citrus juicer because then you're like good to go. Okay, and I'm just gonna fill this with some of the nugget ice. Would you do the honors with the elderflower syrup? We just need one little shot here, one little doodah, 1 ounce basically.
This is a little problem.
Oh,
okay, I got
somebody it. Not who?
I got it. I got it. I was a little concerned.
The set coordinator didn't open the elderflower syrup. What is wrong with me?
Hold up. What am I doing?
Okay, you're just gonna give me, just fill that to the top of the elderflower syrup.
For both?
Yeah. We're gonna just split the syrup between the 2 mocktails. I'm just putting the ice in. Sparkling water.
Yeah.
I'm just doing 1 bottle between the 2 glasses. So we're just gonna go here. This is so beyond simple. Going about halfway. And at the end, if you wanna top it off with a little bit more, you can, but I'm going about halfway. You're gonna split the elderflower syrup between the 2, so half there, half there. And then we'll decide if we want more sweet, you know? I'm just trying to go low sugar, lots of flavor. And then we've got the juice of a lime that you just juiced. Thank you very much. I'm going half in here. And I'm going half in here. So we're just kind of breaking it up between 2. Then just grab some fresh mint as much as you want.
I love.
Yeah.
You know, we were on a trip to Greece and they did a lot of mocktails there and everything had so much fresh
herbs
mint.
And everything.
Oh my God, it was so
Where'd the knife
gorgeous.
go? I'm gonna garnish with a little slice of lime because I just can't help myself. For both of us.
Is this it?
Girl, and we're gonna top it off with more sparkling water.
Wow.
Oh, and I love your idea of a little splash of something pink. So let me just get more. You wanna get the pomegranate juice or cranberry juice?
Sure.
All right, so here we've done it. Now you're saying at Voltaire it was had a little twinge of pink, so give it,
I
there's
thought
some,
it
this
did.
is cranberry
I could be
juice.
Wrong,
yeah.
But what's a little cranberry juice between friends?
Right.
Oh, it's not.
I think that pomegranate would give it more of a pink, but we can try. Oh, it looks good. No, it looks good. It actually looks good, Tracy. Give it a little stir. Oh, it's so cute. It's good. It's light.
It is light.
If you want a little bit more sweetness, just add a little bit more elderflower, but I think it's nice and light and refreshing.
Yes, I do too. I think putting too much more would not taste as good.
Right. Did we replicate the one at the restaurant? What do you think?
I think so. It tastes really good. I like it.
Oh, I love it.
It's very different.
Okay, well, there it is, you guys.
Have fun.
Elderflower mocktail. Cheers. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.